Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. In last video we discussed about session. In this video we will perform session. So let's start. Here we create a login page and compare login data. If login data is correct, then we create a session and pass user data to home page using session. So let's do it. First we create simple login form using HTML. If you don't know about how to create HTML form, then you can learn from our channel. Link available in description. First we open form tag and provide action and method. For action we pass log.php and for method we pass post method. Let's close the form tag. Now we write all HTML tag within form tag. We print login within h1 tag. Now we create text box for name field. We pass text as an input type and username as a text box name. We create password field. We pass password as an input type and UPSW as a password field name. And last, we create login button. For that, we pass submit as an input type and login as a value. Let's save this file and create log.php script. So, in this script, first we access enter data using post method. First we access username in username variable. Now we access user password in UPSW variable. Now we compare username and password with specific data. So here we compare username with Viswa and password with 12345. If both are matched, then we start session using session_start function. We create uname session and pass uname variable as a value. To redirect user to home page, we use header function. Here I write syntax of header function. If data is not matched, then we redirect the user back to the login page using header function. Now we create home.php. Here we access session. So first we start the session. Now we print username session data. So let's see the output. We execute login.html. I enter Viswa as a name and 12345 as a password. As you can see, welcome Viswa is printed because login data is matched. Here we got username using session. Now we try with different data. I enter Viswa K as a name and 12345 as a password. As you can see, browser redirect back to the login page because data is not matched. If you have any doubt, then comment us. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.